You filing income tax this year, you want to stick around and listen to this video. And I mean, you better grab your pen and pad, baby. Grab it really quick. And before y'all even ask, all my content is for all 50 states. USA, the United States of America. And by the way, this is tax steps most people never get taught. So listen up. This video is educational purposes only and not legal or tax advice. And to each his own, go talk to your own professional tax pro. Not me. I mean, you could ask me, but let's keep rolling. If you're filing taxes without knowing these steps, you, my friends, could be losing thousands. And I mean, that's on the table. And I'm not exaggerating. I coach people in all 50 states, and I see this thing every year. Did I say every year? Yeah. So my friends, here's what you do. Step by step. Hey. Step 1, find out what kind of filer you are. I said filer. Identify your life category because, my friends, it changes everything. Are you a parent or caregiver? Question mark. Are you working but low to middle income? Did you do a side hustle? I don't know why I did that. I think side hustle, but we be out here hustling. Come on, guys. Anyway, let's keep going. Did you go to school or get certification? Certifications, friends. Do you support a parent or a disabled friend? Ask these questions to yourself. Because each category unlocks different credits, friend. Different. Step 2, don't skip the biggest credit, EITC. Check to see if you qualify for the Earned Income Tax Credit. If you worked last year, even part-time, friends, you may qualify for this credit. But they won't tell you. And yes, self-employment and side hustles count too. Hey, we out there working. Yeah, you can get this credit. Let's keep going. This credit, my friends, can be worth hundreds to thousands, depending on your income and kids. And don't be one of them parents that you ain't been in that child's life not all year, but when tax come around, you want to show up before then. Y'all can keep rolling, because this is not for you. Step 3, if you have kids, don't just file the right credits, friends. Parents and guardians, just don't file taxes. You claim your credits. In other words, claim what you're eligible for. Child tax credit, child and dependent care credit, such as if you pay for daycare and babysitting. Yeah. Even if you don't owe taxes, you still can qualify to get these tax credits and get a refund because you need some type of money back. Yeah. Step 4, if you made money online or you have a side hustle, my friends, you are a business. Business? Because you've been about business last year and you're standing on bigger business this year by filing the right credits. If you made money from TikTok, because they don't stop, Cash App, DoorDash, hair and nails, coaching, reselling, you're considered a business. Yep. Self-employed. Did I say self-employed? Okay. And that, my friends, means that you may be able to deduct expenses. I mean, y'all just let these people just do what they want to do. I always create a expense sheet for business. If you buying paper clips, if you buying products to do what it do, it should be a expense sheet. Create one. Y'all always on chat anyway. But me, my friends, I studied business. Why? Because I've been about business. Chat can't do everything. Yeah. I guess I'm going to stay with the books. I'm going to stay with what I know. But to each his own. Let's keep going. I'm going to give you a breakdown. Mileage and gas, phone and internet, supplies and equipment, advertising and marketing, courses and business education, apps that you buy and purchase, and subscriptions that you purchase to run your business is a tax write-off. Should I say more? Because some people be tripping. Y'all wouldn't believe some of the questions that I get. And most people never track expenses. And y'all wonder why you're paying more? Come on, guys, ladies and gents. And by the way, checkmate. Step 5, the home office space. And that's only if you use your home for business space. Because y'all be trying to do the most. And you don't want to get audited. I mean, we already getting robbed blind. Should I say more? If you're self-employed and you use part of your home, I don't care if it's the closet. Y'all know who be in their closet. You can qualify and may qualify for a home reduction. Let's get it together, people. Let's get more money back so we can invest that mofo into some land, friends. Yeah, I was going to say more, but that may include a portion of your rent or mortgage, utilities, and internet. But it has to be used for business constantly. Be consistent, in other words. Step 6, school counts more than people realize. I said school. If you went to school and you took college classes, got a trade certification, or paid tuition, you may qualify for education credits. I said education, like I'm educating y'all on taxes right now and what you can get more money on, so you won't owe no money. Educational purposes only. I already know the question is coming. It doesn't matter if you have a student loan or grants, you still qualify for this type of credit. Ask about lifetime learning credits. America Opportunity Credit. And that's for my educational people. Go back and replay this video. Step 7, if you supported a family member. Oh yeah, get them all. If Ray and Pookie living in your house, put them on this account of step 7. Some people can use family members as a credit even if they are an adult. And y'all know y'all got grown folks living in your house. That's over with. Claim them as a dependent, my friends. Claim them. Ask them for their social security number. Because they can ask you for everything in their house, including your last piece of soap. This also includes an elderly parent, a disabled parent or person, an adult dependent you care for, in other words. And this, my friend, is overlooked many times. Don't let them fool you when you go to that lady. Just don't go to H&R Block. I mean, that's not legal advice. That's just my opinion. Step 8, don't forget about medical deductions. If you have medical expenses, things like glasses, prescription, insurance that therapy didn't cover, this, my friends, can reduce taxable income. Not everyone qualifies, but many families, my friends, don't even ask. If you don't ask, yeah, you know it. And do this before you file your taxes for checklist proof. Gather your W-2s and 1099s, child care receipts, school tuition forms, mileage logs, and business expenses, medical receipts, proof of dependents living with you, Ray and Pookie them. Because credits are not about opinions. They are about documentation, baby. And you know what I always say, if it's not documented, it never happened. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and repost again and again. And my friends, I'm Portia Justice Lee. Filing fast is not filing smart. Filing without credits is how people stay broke. You heard it here first. Thanks for watching.